Let's start with the left poi above the arm going in clockwise, and then we'll just do some figure eights where you go up and down, up and down, up and down, and then just like we were practicing for the separations with the other version, practice going out here and then coming all the way in front of you and going out here and all the way in front of you and out here and all the way in front of you while you're going up and down above the arm. The same rules apply. So you do that funky thing in the shoulder to get it to go above and below the arm. And you do use your elbow and you keep your joints soft to make it nice and smooth on the outside, and then come to the inside. I'll mirror you with the arm, but I'll do clockwise. So you go up and down here, and then bring your left arm out to the side, out to the side, out to the side. And then come back in, come back in, come back in, right in front of you. You got it, you got it. And now we're gonna go back out, back out, back out, back out. Whoosh, 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 and look forward, look forward. You can start it here because it's easier. And you're going in your clockwise in front. Now slide your arm out, 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 and then back in, back in, back in, back in, back in. Keep going, you got it, keep going. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Moving it out, moving it out. And now we're gonna come back in slowly. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. That's why I'm drilling with you. Make you do it, make you do it. Come back in, come back in, come back in. Now we'll go back out, looking straight ahead. Back view, start with it above the arm in clockwise. And then you'll go above and below, above in front of the body, and then we're gonna move it out to the side, and then in front of the body, and out to the side, and looking forward when we go out to the side, come back in front. And then again, just like I said with the other side, you're still doing that funky thing with your shoulder and your elbow to get it to go above and below when the arm is fully extended out to the side. But no locking the elbow. We don't want to do this. I mean, you can do that, but I think for the purposes of your learning, you should first learn how to do it with the elbow soft. So it's clockwise, we're going out, and then we come back in, look forward, look forward, look forward, look forward, look forward. And then we're going back out, back out, back out. And then we're gonna come back in, back in, back in. Breathing, slow it down, slow it down. We're in front, then we go out, 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 and then we come back in front. Let's do 3 more sets with your right hand. I'll mirror you with my left. So above and below, out, we come back in. Above and below, going out, and then above and below coming back in, and then above and below going out, and then one last time we're gonna come back in. Your left hand, I'll mirror you with my right. So starting above and below. And we're moving out, and move back in, and move out, and move back in, and move out. Let's try doing a clockwise corkscrew like this, where you're going up above your head, so don't even go in front of your face yet. And then when you're ready, come in front of your face and make it smaller into that nice tight one. Beautiful, beautiful. Look how easy that was. And now separate your arms if you can. And it doesn't have to go all the way, and then come back together, get it back, get it back. Now separate it a little and come back together.